Yeah, I made quite a mess. What a shocker. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Okay, today we're going to do something that we did over the summer for our summer camp. We made lighthouse night lights for your bedroom.
Yeah, they're very cool.
Many years ago, I don't know if people actually still use them, but people would go on vacation and take pictures, and instead of having them developed into prints, they would have them developed onto slides and use a slide projector to show off all their pictures and have all their neighbors over and have a party and show what they did. We recently acquired a whole bunch of slides and had to figure out what we could do with them that would be fun. You need 4 slides for this. This one is actually of a lighthouse, which is fun.
Kind of funny.
We're not going to put that together yet. We're going to do that after, but those are the 4 that I picked. We're going to start by painting so it has a chance to finish drying before we put together the lighthouse. So I'm going to get a little bit of blue. You don't need much for this.
An ocean.
Yeah, they'll be lapping up toward the lighthouse. And we're going to use the rocks to create a little hill. Take a paintbrush. Also, don't forget to cover your workstation here. I was thinking I'd have the lighthouse sort of here in the corner, so I'm going to think about the fact that I want the ocean here. Lighthouses are great for ships, letting people know when they're getting close to the shore, the light will flash. I don't know how, I think they're all electronic now, but at some point.
People lived in them, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I'm going to take the white and give it the edges a little bit of foam.
Oh yes, look at the ocean. Ooh, the waves are crashing in. The waves are crashing out.
I guess I kind of crash this way too. Okay, so there we've got that. We're going to let it dry while we're putting together our lighthouse, but I'm also going to add the rocks in. So we'll just do the best we can.
Look at
It's
you.
coming out.
You're using your muscles.
Yes, I'm very strong. So we're going to add some rocks so it just looks like a rocky crevice here, rocky hillside. We got all these little rocks from something we made a long time ago, so I pulled them out for this. You could also use sand, you could use dirt, kind of whatever you want to use.
Just put your house there first. Is your house going to fit?
Oh yeah, I should try to make sure it still fits. Oh yeah, it's not going to fit. I went way too far with my stuff here. Well, rethinking that. Maybe I'll add water at the end.
Let that be a lesson to you all.
Yeah. Mark where your house is going to go. I eyeballed it and that wasn't so
You
great.
just put your house down, right?
Yeah, I could just put the house down.
That'd be better. There you go.
And then I'll add some more waves after I do this.
They're glue waves right now.
Oh yes, be sure to measure. Okay, here we go. Now I'm adding the rocky shore with the already glued rock. Yeah, because a lot of our coastline is pretty rocky. In Southern California it's very sandy, but up where we are, there's a lot of rocky coast. And the further north you get, it's even more rocky. Some of them also have staircases that go up and around that way too. Okay, but now here comes the other fun part of the whole thing.
Fancy.
Yeah, I made quite a mess. What a shocker. Okay, so now I'm going to take the 4 slides that I chose, and I'm going to, I have to remember which direction I go. So on these ones, where it has the name of the company that did it, that's the bottom of the picture. So you want to make sure that you've got this just right. Otherwise you'll be a little sad because they'll be upside down. And I still have to think about it. Yep, there we go. Okay, so I'm lining them all up. It'll be helpful if I move this rocky shore out of the way. I'm going to line them all up. Actually, I'm going to do this. Sorry. Here we go. I'm going to put them on I want the words on the inside, not on the outside. So now I'm going to use my handy dandy tape to tape them together.
Will you tell friends how to use the tape dispenser? We worked on that this summer.
Oh, you did when I was gone?
Like pulling it out and pressing it down on one side.
Yeah, so if you're using a tape dispenser like this, do you see there's a sharp part right here, so you got to be really careful not to get hurt on that. This could be a partner project if you need help. But when you pull on it, so I'm going to pull on one side of it, and it rips right off. You don't need scissors because the scissors are sort of in there already with the, that sharp part that I was just telling you. Okay, so now I'm going to fold it in so it makes this really good square. Tape on the outside here. I didn't like the way that was looking. So now you have this really nice square.
That's very cool.
Square-ish of the slides. Check with your parents, see if they have old slides that they were given by family members and they don't know what to do with them, but they don't want to throw them away. You could make these. And also you could just ask us and we'll give you some too. We'd be happy to mail some to you. We have so many. Okay, now we're going to carefully put this up on top of the cup. And then we have to tape it down a little bit to make sure it stays where it's supposed to. Otherwise it could slide down. This cup is a little bit smaller than our other cup. So I think this could just really slide down. Yeah, it's really, they're so great. Okay, I have to add in the water.
Okay, some more waves are coming. Crash! Waves crashing.
Waves.
Waves. Shh.
Crashing down. And hopefully no boats because the lighthouse has been well taken care of. Check it out. What do you think?
It's very cool.
Okay, Miss Hazel, you want to turn off the light?
Yeah. We need to get the light. We need to get your light in there. I'm going to turn off 2 lights. I'm going to turn off.
So here's the candle. I just flipped it
When
on.
you're ready. I'm turning off the big light.
Here. Okay. I think we can turn this off. And then we can turn off.
Then I'm going to turn it.
Okay. Hopefully we get to see it. And even these candles sort of flicker a little bit too.
All right, ready.
So let's see if it works.
Okay.
Ooh, what do you think?
That's so fancy.
Okay, we're gonna turn the lights back on so you can see us, but isn't that fun? Okay, so if you make one of these, let us know. But if also, think about where you might want to put it. It could be right by your bed, so you have a little nightlight at night.
Could be welcome as you come into your home.
Oh, like a lighthouse. It's a welcoming beacon.
Yes.
What a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so have fun with these. Remember cardboard, some paint, a cup, and some slides. And seriously, if you need slides and you really want to make it, you should send us a message. We will send some to you because we have a lot. All right, thanks everyone. See you next time. Bye.
Bye friends. Bye-bye.